Your bike roars, but what if it falls silent? If you love the ride, the win, the freedom, but dread the breakdown, it's time to take control. With the Motorcycle Mechanic course from Training Express, you gain the skills to diagnose, repair, and maintain motorcycles of all makes and models confidently. Master the art of understand how the engine, suspension, brakes, and electrics work together. Spot faults and diagnose mechanical or electrical issues. Carry out essential maintenance and complete repairs. Prepare, store, and care for your motorcycle like a pro. Whether you're a rider looking to save on repair bills, a hobbyist ready to turn professional, or hoping to join a workshop, this course is designed for you. Study online, anytime, anywhere, on any device. Receive a free CPD accredited certificate on completion. Join over 695 learners, rated 4.8 stars, who now ride and repair with confidence. Enroll now in the Motorcycle Mechanic course. Ride, repair, rise.